If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today, I'm happy to introduce you to the Bella wallet. This is a Sally tomato pattern. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So on the back, we have this generous zipper pocket. It's a sleek and classic design. One of my favorite types of wallets is a fully zip-around wallet that lays flat, which this one does. This middle section is optional. You do not have to have this middle section in it if you don't want to. This middle section is a zipper pocket with an ID holder on the side. And on both sides, we have 4 card slots that are really, really pretty and decorative the way they go in on the angle. This can be made in corks, vinyls, or leathers. I can't wait to make more of these. I'm actually thinking I'm going to make myself one of these to match my current purse, which I have made in leather. So I am super excited to do that. If you are one of my clients and you'd like to order one of these amazing wallets, you know what to do. All my information is down below. And if you're part of the Bagmakers community, I do have a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, until the next one, bye.